Hey y'all, something super exciting is happening. But first, I gotta give you a little backstory. So last year, I got an opportunity to visit the headquarters of a brand that I had used previously, but hadn't really talked much about on my platform. And I went on this brand trip with an open mind, excited to meet with the team, learn more about the brand, learn more about the products, and really get a feel and vibe for who they were. And in that trip, at the same time, I was traveling with my husband and my daughter for the first time. Sarai was only 4 months old at the time, exclusively breastfeeding, and this was the first brand trip that I was bringing her on. So for me, as excited as I was to meet with the brand, learn about products and all this kind of stuff, I was also pretty anxious about what it would mean for me to bring Sarai with me and my husband. But I was like, you know what? I'm doing this. I don't care if people look at me crazy. I don't care if people are like, why does she have her baby here? I don't care, because I'm determined to live the life I want to live, right? And so I went, and the trip was awesome. It takes a lot to impress me. And so when I was using these products, I was like, whoa, like, hold on. Why are people not talking about this brand? Why are they not like on this yet? And it was honestly the first brand that I could go to that was silicone free, sulfate free, and I was happy with my hair when I wore it curly, and I was happy with my hair when I wore it straight or blown out. This is one of those brands that I could live in this one house and do all the things that I wanted to do. So you're probably wondering why we're really here. And the real reason why we're here chatting right now is because I am excited to announce I have a special role with a very, very new collection coming. Now, I've been itching to tell you all about these products, but I just can't tell you yet, okay? But believe me when I tell you, as soon as these products drop, y'all are gonna be the first to know. I'm so excited to be a part of this journey with Living Proof. Stay tuned, you won't be disappointed.